Rickey's dictionary defines hanger as an agitated state of desperate famishment or acting like a damn psycho because you forgot to eat. My rideshare driver won't stop and get me Chinese food. You know what? I forgot to eat. What the hell is keto? Now I'm angry. This is Hanger Management with Rickey T. Hello, you guys. My name is Rickey Thompson, and what is good to eat? Alrighty, so ever since I moved to LA, I have been on this whole health thing. I really want my body to look right, and I really want to feel good. So when I go back home, I get so hangry. I don't know what to eat. My friends and family, they're still stuck on that fatty and fried food diet, and I'm not about it. I need to figure out a way to make them happy, but also make me still feel healthy. I gotta solve this hanger problem by taking it to the kitchen. For today, I decided to make some chicken and steak fajitas. When I go back home for the holidays, my family and I, we get so hangry because we have two totally different eating habits. So for today, I'm gonna be making a recipe that is such a crowd pleaser. Some chicken and steak fajitas. First step is we're gonna be cutting this onion. I don't know if I'm gonna cry or not, but just in case, I have some protective onion cutting goggles. How do I look? Let's cut this onion. Oh my goodness. Ooh. All right, onion, you are strong. Okay. We are going to peel this skin off. Once we have our skin peeled, we're just gonna cut some slices. Whew. Throw that in the steak bowl, just as so. We're gonna start cutting up our bell pepper. Now you just see like a half. We're going to get our yellow bell pepper. All you need is just a cute half. Remember to get all that stuff out of there. Oh yes. Now our green bell pepper. These colors are honestly so amazing. Look at it, presentation, I love it. We are going to add some olive oil and some salt and pepper to our steak bowl. Add some salt, sprinkle that on top. Some pepper, really season. Now we're going to mix this all together. I'm going to use a spoon. Just like one big party in a bowl. So once you are done mixing all that up, we're gonna let that sit. Now, we are gonna start making our sauce for our chicken. We have some chipotle and adobo sauce, some oregano, boop, brown sugar, some cumin, some orange juice to really give it a little bit of sweetness, and some tomato paste. We are going to whisk all these ingredients together for our sauce. It smells like a Fiesta. I love that. I'm going to mix the sauce in with our chicken. Ooh. We're gonna let that marinate. Now I'm gonna turn on the stove because we're gonna start cooking our steak. I am adding a little olive oil to our frying pan. And now we are going to add our steak. Ooh. I love the sound of fajitas cooking. Oh yes, we are cooking it up. I just realized I'm still wearing my onion goggles, but honestly, I look amazing in them. Oh yeah! So this looks just about done, because I really don't want my steak to be too overcooked. So we're gonna put this in the plate. This smells amazing. It's time to add our chicken. While this is cooking, I'm going to go start my avocado mash. We have some avocado and lime. So the first thing we're gonna be doing is cutting this avocado. So I learned this new trick about getting the seed out of your avocado. You're gonna do it just like this. Bam, twist it, and voila, it's out. Amazing. We're going to scoop out our avocado and put it right into the bowl. We're gonna cut our lime. I'm gonna squeeze this right into the bowl. I love it. Add some salt and pepper. You know what? I'm hangry, so I'm gonna smash this on up. It can still be a little bit chunky. You're not gonna get it perfect. Now I'm gonna taste it, make sure that we're good. That is what I'm talking about. That is delicious. Okay. We're gonna add our chicken to our steak. It smells phenomenal. We are going to mix our chicken and steak together. What is a fajita without a tortilla? These tortillas are fresh, but there's nothing better than a hot tortilla. Now, this shouldn't take long at all. This is a very fast step. I'm gonna make sure it's nice, hot, and cooked. Now that we're done cooking this fajita, I can finally take off my protective goggles. They were amazing, but it's time for them to go away. I'm gonna add some avocado mash first. My fajita. I'm gonna add some hot sauce. I think that's it. You guys, you know what time it is. It's time to eat. So let's try this bad boy on out. Whoa. Damn it. I'm a really good cook. This is amazing. This right here is definitely gonna cure my family's hunger. That's it for me, you guys. And remember, peace, love, and here's what's good to eat.